In today's video, I have a really cheap idea to make some umbrella holders for your pool to add a little shade when it gets really hot. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am back from a much needed short vacation, but it is really hot here in early June. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a quick DIY umbrella holder out of PVC pipe, and I'm going to attach it to the leg here, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So here's everything you need. I'm going to do two of them, so I have my two umbrellas already. I'm going to use a piece of 1 1/4 inch PVC and a piece of 1.5 inch PVC. Basically, you just need whatever PVC is going to fit the pole that you have for your size umbrella. Then I also have a can of spray paint that I bought that's, kind of close to the pool color. So I'm going to spray paint them. I'm going to attach them with zip ties. You can use like a hose clamp. You can use different things. I'm going to start with zip ties. If I don't feel like it's strong enough down the road, I might change it to hose clamps. And I'm also going to put some of these bolts, carriage bolts. So like, for instance, if I'm going to measure out the length, how far I want it. I'm going to drill a hole at the bottom here. That way the umbrella won't go past that, so I can keep it at a certain height. First thing I'm going to do is drill my hole. I already have it marked. Do that to both sides. That right there is exactly what I'm going for. That pole will not be able to go past that point. Now, it's time to spray paint. And just for reference, this is the color I used. It is the Gloss Dark Gray 2x Ultra Cover by Rust-Oleum. That paint came out perfect. You wouldn't even know that it wasn't part of the pool. So that's them right there. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when they're strapped on the pool. So now this part, everybody might choose to do it a little bit differently. So originally I thought, okay, I'm just gonna put it up here next to the thing, and I'm going to attach it right there. Well, this comes out. The top railing comes out a little bit, so that ain't going to work. It's going to stop me from putting the umbrella through there. So I need to bring this out a little bit. So I found this in my shop, just a black piece of rubber, and it's from a PVC leak repair kit. It's like a flexible coupler, has hose clamps on it. You get it at Home Depot, Ace Hardware. I had one of those sitting around, and I cut it. I'm like, this will be perfect. So I'm going to put this as a cushion piece behind it, just like that, and I'm going to put my zip tie on, kind of hold it in place. Bam. Now I got to get my zip ties on the bottom. Put another zip tie right about here. It is really hot today, so really looking forward to doing this. It's pretty secure. I'm going to put one on the very bottom. So now this is what it looks like. Got the rubber padding behind it there, zip tie there, a zip tie there, and one on the bottom. When you back out, it looks fine. It's not an eyesore at all. If you don't want to paint it, leave it white PVC if you don't care what it looks like. I wanted a little cleaner look, so that's why I did it like this. Now, I also measured the umbrellas, kind of held it up there, and you could space it with one empty one, and they'll just barely touch up at the top. So let's go ahead and put them in there and see what it looks like. Okay, time for the big reveal. I'm super happy with it, so check this out. Look at that. That is exactly the look I was going for. That is perfect. Obviously the sun is still over that way a little bit, but once it gets behind, it is going to create lots of shade in the pool. You know, these things are so cheap, you could really do them, you know, all around the pool, and that way you could change the angle of the umbrellas whenever you wanted to. So that is very cool. I'm very happy with it. I hope this gives you an idea of something to do with your pool. Again, this is just scrap PVC I had in my shop. So, I mean, if you have scrap PVC sitting around, you could do the same exact thing. Again, as always, I appreciate you watching another video, and have a blessed pool season and have a blessed day.